Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your coding speed with Codewars, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a free account on the Codewars website. Make sure to choose a programming language you're comfortable with or want to learn. Once logged in, explore the various coding challenges available. Begin with lower level challenges, known as katas, to build your confidence. Read the problem statement carefully and understand the requirements. Take time to think about potential solutions before jumping into coding. Set a timer for each challenge to help track your problem-solving speed. After completing a challenge, review the solutions from other users. Analyze different coding styles and techniques used in their solutions. Practice regularly to build familiarity with common algorithms and approaches. Join the Codewars community to connect with other programmers. Participate in discussions and ask for help when needed. Challenge yourself by gradually attempting higher-level katas. Use the Codewars leaderboard to track your progress and speed. Reflect on your performance after each challenge to identify areas for improvement. Keep a journal of new concepts and strategies you learn from each coding session. Integrate pair programming with a friend to gain new insights and tips. Stay persistent and don't get discouraged by difficult challenges. Remember, consistent practice is key to increasing your coding speed. Enjoy the journey of learning and improving your coding skills with Codewars. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.